Lucy, you already have some fans of this recipe. Ladies that were just in for the last segment said it smells so good.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I've got to print this out and try it. For those of you out there just joining us, for kids who love taco soup, like my stepchildren do, this would be a good variation of that. You kind of called it an Italian taco soup.
That is kind of what it is. Our turkey and veggie soup. We're kind of at the end here, and it didn't take us long to put it together. And you had an awesome idea of putting it in the crock pot.
Of course, that's my idea, to put it in the crock pot. That means you don't have to do anything.
But that's a good one. It's really good. It's really simple to put this together. So we started with our ground turkey, and then we added our veggies, which was carrot, celery, onion, and red bell pepper. And of course, you know, you could really use any variety you want. And then we added in a can of our diced tomatoes with green chilies, and we added in 6 cups of chicken broth, and I brought that up to a boil, and we also added our spices, which was salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, and basil. So we got all that up to a boil, and then just reduce the heat, let it simmer for about 20 minutes or so. And then the last thing that we're going to do is add in our beans. I just grabbed some white northern beans, and you could use white cannellini beans, you could use black beans. I mean, you could really use any bean that you would like, and just drain it and rinse it off, so it just kind of gets rid of all that starch that you know, will kind of make our soup a little cloudy. So just rinse those off, and you just stir those in right at the end.
Oh, so
and
good.
this soup is ready to go. And I like to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Really kind of takes it over the top.
That's to the next level.
To the
next level of soups.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this looks great.
Yes.
And again, we were talking about getting ready for Mardi Gras too. King cakes are back.
Yes, king cakes are back. We had rave reviews on our king cakes last year. All of our stores, all 30 stores, will have king cakes, a different variety of them. And we actually get them from a bakery in Louisiana. And we, you know, tasted them, and they did so well the past couple years, and they're great quality. So we get them so they come in fresh, and we just have them for our customers. So we're excited about that. They should be in the stores this week, which is exciting. And I can't believe, it's always kind of like, oh my gosh, you know, Dauphin Island has their parade, and then it's like, oh, Mardi Gras is here, and then it's like, then they have one more parade, and then it's like a whole nother week until Mobile, you know, starts our parade. So hopefully we can take the boys and baby. I keep saying boys. Sometimes I forget that I have a third child.
You're right, the little
because she's so sweet and she's so quiet. I'm like
a little opposite.
Oh, where's the baby?
A little opposite of the boys.
Yeah, total opposite of the boys.
Yeah.
So we haven't taken them to a parade yet. So this could be the year.
Okay. We would love to see video of that. If you want to see more on the kids, as always, and of course the recipes, you can like Lucy Greer on Facebook. We'll have the recipe up online as well as on the Greer's website. Send us some video of that.
Yeah,
We'd like to, of the Mardi Gras parade. I can only imagine. We'll be right back.